AI music generator. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see what this new AI music generator is. So its name is Udio and you can simply open it up using udio.com, and here you would require your Gmail account or your Discord in order to access it, and it is absolutely free as of now. So you can simply sign up for an account and you can create music quite easily without any confusion. And in order to create a music, you would just have to click on this option of create at the top, then write the description of the music that you want, and select the kind of music that you are looking for. Simply select it, then you get the option of lyrics. On the lyrics section, you can select whether you want custom lyrics or the instrumental or the auto-generated lyrics. Simply choose the option and go ahead with the option of create. After you click on create, then you would have to wait for a while and your song will be created. You can listen to it, and in case if you like any particular song, you can click on this option of extend in order to extend this particular song for 30 seconds. And you can also remix this particular song and also publish it up for rest of the people to hear on udio.com, and you get certain options over here. When you click on the three dots, you can download it, share it up and add it to any playlist of yours, and this way you would be able to utilize this particular platform of music generator. So I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.